Most people think okra stew is supposed to be thick and the soup is supposed to be light. But no, that is not the difference. In today's video, I'm going to show you the difference and also share with you how to make okra stew. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lila and welcome to my cooking channel. So this is a requested video from a subscriber. Let's get started. I have my mackerel and my tuna in my seasoned water. Okay, I'm just going to grow this. It was in the water for about 2 hours, and that is my okra and the oil we are going to use. So now let's pour the oil in the pan we are going to prepare our soup. I'm just going to add my chopped onions and just wait for a while. So I'm going to stir this, then let it be on fire whilst we blend these ingredients. So we are done blending. I will just go ahead and add it to the chopped onion. So that is my tomato sauce I made. Okay, it contains a lot of things that I will be leaving on the screen, so I'll give it a stir. Now once we leave it on fire, I will just go and chop my okra. Then I have a chili sauce, green chili sauce here. I will just add some to the stew. At the end of it, I added all. So I have my okra here, and this is how I chop my okra. It is very simple and very fast to do. If you are still with me and please you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon for more videos, and I will be very grateful. Thank you very much. My returning subscribers, hello. Thank you for always being with me. So the okra stew or okra soup, you can make it light or you can make it thick. But the difference is that now, before I show you the difference, let's pour the okra in the saucepan. My okra is very fresh. Yes, normally I don't measure the water, I just gauge it. Okay, but because it's a requested video, I'm just going to measure. So I've added just half size of what do you call it, seasoning cube. You can use any seasoning of your choice. So I'm just going to add 2 cups of water for the start, and I will tell you why. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and add my chopped onions. Normally I add some ginger and garlic, but I have enough in the tomato sauce, so I don't want it to become bitter. If the ginger is too much, it will be very bitter. Yes, after just a minute, the down one has started boiling or cooking. So you can see the color is changing. So if you want it very slimy or a little slimy, this is what you can do. Okay, you can just use that, or you can grate your okra, or you can chop it a little small and blend. Yes, but I don't like all those things because I want to chew okra. I don't want it small, and I don't want it blended, and I don't want it, that is not what we were taught. That is not how in Volta we prepare our okra. But due to technology and due to individual preferences, yes, you can make it anyhow that you want. Okay, after all, that is your fault. Yes, so you can grate it, you can blend it, but this is how we always do it in the Volta region. So because I was going to teach you that when you are pounding it, you are supposed to have some more water so that it can be easy for you. So because I'm done, that is why I added extra 1 cup of water. water. So this is okay for me. You can see the okra is slimy, and I don't want my okra very slimy. Yes, I don't want it like that. Yes, so I've added some red snappers to the stew, and we will leave it on the stove for a while, then add our fish to our okra. I added the other half seasoning cube to the okra. You can actually add some pepper as well, but if immediately you add pepper to your okra, the sliminess, okay, will go down or will cut. Yes, it doesn't like okra and also tomatoes. So mostly if you add it to your tomatoes, it can even go down, but I think when you blend it, it is not going to go down completely. And also when you add a kanwa or baking soda, that one too is going to be slimy. But I said earlier, this is how we make it, and I can boldly say about 99% of Ontarians don't prepare their okra very slimy. So me boy among country more comment section. Wow, where you made it. So I add this with some soft banku, that is a word. Oh my goodness, and it was so delicious. I'll bring you the recipe very soon. I hope, my dear subscriber, you like this video, and thank you for watching. So the okra stew is made like this, and the okra soup, we don't add any tomato stew, just like how we prepare the stew just now. So you prepare only the okra, and it can be oilless or with oil. But mostly when you go to Volta, we add a lot of green leaves, because we don't want the situation whereby you finish eating and you have a constipated that is just by the way, so that we always have free tummy. So we add a lot of green leaves. It can be boma, it can be ademe, it can be cassava leaves, any green leaves, potato leaves, any green leaves that you want. Okay, yes, but mostly we use the ademe, that is the ayoyo or the jute leaves, or mostly we use the boma. The boma is like echo fantimema intrupona habai, but there is this intrupuan kasankasana habai you use, that is the boma. Intrupo, you see some the leaves, you know, it contains some nkase wechiri. The one without nkase is the boma, and it makes the soup very nice. So thank you for being with me, and I hope, my subscriber, you like this. So please watch my okra soup recipe on this channel for me, and I will leave the link at the top. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.